In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a medial step down. So firstly, whatever you're using, whether it's an exercise step like me or a stair or whatever, I want you to have something that you can hold onto for balance should you need it. So when I come into this exercise, I've got a wall here close to me. So if I started to lose my balance, I could always then go and reach for the wall. Especially if you've never done the exercise, taking risk out of the exercise is just complete common sense. So what I want you to do is you're going to step up onto whatever you're using, and I'm going to have one leg on my step up and one leg hovering off. With the leg that's hovering off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach out to the side, and at the same time I want you to watch my left knee as I do so. My left knee bends, I come back up into position, left knee bends, come up back into position. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and if you wanted to make it harder, you can always use a dumbbell, or alternatively, if you raise up the height of the step, it's going to be harder because you've got to come down lower, which means your knee on the stabilizing side is going to work substantially harder if you're really high as opposed to really low. That is how to do a medial step down, and repeat that for your desired amount of reps and sets.